let's do an in-depth forecast for the month of December 2024 for the Earth sign Capricorn. Only take what resonates and leave what doesn't. You may take nothing at all. If you are seeing this on or before December 31, there might be a message for you. Book your paid personal readings with me, please message us on our Facebook page, M's Guide Tarot Reading, on our Instagram account at M's Guide, and you can send us a direct message here on TikTok. Please be aware that there are fake accounts lurking. Stay vigilant and don't get scammed. So the theme for the month of December for the Earth sign Capricorn is stop. So anong ibig sabihin ng stop? Ang ibig sabihin niyan, kung meron kayong mga bagay na gagawin, ay kailangan munang tumigil, huminto, para pag-isipan ng mabuti ang inyong mga bagay or yung mga pagdedesisyonan nyo sa buhay ngayong December. It can also mean that you may need to stop doing what you are doing right now and take a break. Kasi masyado ng hectic ang schedule mo or maaring masyado ka ng stress sa buhay. So, take some time to stop and rest. Yun ang theme para sa inyo ngayong buwan ng Disyembre. Okay, para sa inyo Capricorn for this month of December 2024, ang base card na lumabas ay ang the Fool card in the reverse. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, this December, there might be a little bit of chaos. Maaring may trouble financially pagdating ng December, or it may be because magkakaroon ka you might be feeling a little bit lost when it comes to your career. So, feeling lost in your career, or it might be also connected to your finances. Maaring may problema financially. And the reason behind it is because maaring in the past, meron ka mga nabitawang mga salita na hindi maganda. So, kumbaga, you dug your own grave when it comes to this problem that you will be facing this December because of the things that are not nice or hindi masyadong maganda pakinggan na maaaring nasabi mo towards your coworkers or maybe your boss, your colleagues, or maybe a business partner or someone who handles your finances, and it will be a burden for you. Parang may isip mo ngayong December na sana hindi mo na lang sinabi yung mga sinabi mo dahil ikaw lang ang nahihirapan dito sa ginawa mo. Kaya lumabas yung Five of Swords kasi parang ikaw yung gumawa ng problema at hindi mo alam kung paano lutasin or solusyonan yung problema ang ginawa mo. And it's saying here, people around you when it comes to your career, they may be putting that hate on you. Kumbaga, so parang nahihirapan ka na nga, nagsistruggle ka na nga, lalo ka pa nilang pahihirapan ngayong December. So there would be conflicts, tensions, you will be facing a lot of those. And this is because there are selfish motives around your career, or maybe the money or the financial struggle that you are dealing with right now. May mga pansariling motibo kaya ikaw ay parang you are getting caught in the middle of all of these because not really caught in the middle, but because you know na at the back of your head meron ka ring mga nabitawang mga salita na hindi talaga naayon or hindi makakatulong sa iyong career. So ang guidance dito is for now, just celebrate the small wins that you have. So, huwag mo munang isipin yung big picture. Kung galit sila sa'yo or kung mainit ang ulo ng mga tao sa'yo, hayaan mo lang. Put a poker face on and think of it like it will be resolved soon. Isipin mo na lang na maayos din ito in the future or sana maayos ito yung mga problema mo sa career mo or sa finances mo ng mas maaga. And it's the holiday. So, put all the negativity and the bad juju away. Isipin mo na lang na matatapos din ang mga problema mo. But for now, hang on, be patient at parang accountability kumbaga. Tanggapin kung ano yung mga binabato sa'yo dahil at the back of your head or alam mo naman sa sarili mo na meron ka ding parte or naging kasalanan kaya ito nangyari. Okay, for you Capricorn, those in a relationship or para sa iyong romance this December, ang forecast para sa iyo ay ang Two of Pentacles in the reverse. So, there would be a struggle when it comes to your romance department and there would be a lot of sleepless nights when it comes to your relationship. Meron kayong mga struggle mag-partner and you are just finding that balance. Kumbaga, in the previous months, meron ng problema. Nag-build up na ito. At ngayong December, matututo ka ng mag-cope up or matututo ka ng humabol. Parang go with the flow na lang. Kasi ikaw yung type na talagang nag-overthink sa mga sitwasyon. Lahat ng ah court cards dito na lumabas ay in the reverse. Ang ibig sabihin nito, you will be, mahihirapan ka talagang balansehin ang romantic situation mo this December. You will feel very jealous, very insecure, low self-confidence, low self-esteem, maaring maging paranoid ka din ngayong December and you feel na this is not what you deserve. Kasi pakiramdam mo, dapat yung partner mo ay may ginagawa din para ibsan yung nararamdaman mo. But all of these, you will be feeling a little bit helpless this December when it comes to your relationship. Ang payo para sa'yo ay overthinking, tigilan ng pag-overthink. Yun ang sinasabi ng cards. Because overthinking will just give you stress and stress might translate into physical sickness. So, as much as possible, iwasan ang pag-overthink, iwasan ang pagiging paranoid. Kung meron kang gustong sabihin, sabihin mo, wag mong tinatago, wag mong parang do not pent up those things na gusto mong ilabas kasi hindi ito makakatulong sa'yo. Okay, for those who are single, for the month of December, mukhang single pa rin kayo this December. So, mukhang magtatapos ang taon na ito na talagang paninindigan nyo ang pagiging single. And with the cards here, it's saying, mawawalan ka na ng pag-asa or maybe you are already on the verge na nawawalan ka na ng pag-asa na makakahanap ka pa ng taong magiging partner mo this month. And instead of dwelling on love or kung instead of prioritizing love and romance this month, ang priority mo ngayon ay sarili mo. And you might be para maiwasan yung kalungkutan, ang gagawin mo ay maaaring mag-travel ka this month. Yun ang sinasabi ng cards. Or you might be maybe going to some places like out of town, out of the country para lang yung para lang malihis ang pag-iisip mo tungkol sa love life. Para lang malibang ka. Yun ang sinasabi ng cards. So, if you want to travel, go ahead and travel. If it makes you happy, then do it. Kasi minsan lang naman tayo maging bata, and there would come a time that we will be old and we will not be able to do the things that we want to do. So as early as now or habang bata ka pa, gawin mo na yung pagta-travel or gawin mo na lahat ng gusto mong gawin kasi hindi na natin mababalik ang oras. Yun ang payo sa'yo ng cards. Okay, so for your health, Capricorn, ang sinasabi dito, ang base card na lumabas ay ang Three of Pentacles in the upright. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, when it comes to your health, kung ikaw ay may nararamdaman, hindi mo kayang suluhin yung mga nararamdaman mo. If whether this may be emotional, physical, or mental, you will need the help of others when it comes to your health. So, what do I say? Emotional health. Kung ikaw ay may sama ng loob sa ibang tao, hindi mo pwedeng kimin yung nararamdaman mo. You need to free yourself from the emotional baggage. Kasi kung ito ay kikimkimin mo, ng kikimkimin at hindi ka lalabas ng sama ng loob, magma-manifest yan into a physical form of sickness. Pwedeng maging or pwede ka magkasakit into the physical. Lalagnatin ka dahil masyado mong kinikimkim yung mga sama ng loob mo. Also, with the lover's card in the reverse, ibig sabihin niyan, if you are not in good terms with a person that you love, now is the time to move forward. What do I mean by move forward? Kung ikaw yung type ng tao na hindi marunong magsabi ng mga nararamdaman mo dun sa partner mo, maybe now is the time to actually talk to your person or to your partner and tell your person how you really feel about your situation because it will help you. Yung emotional release, kung baga, emotional baggage mo, mawawala yan sa'yo. So, yun yung guidance para sa'yo pagdating sa health mo. No man is an island, kumbaga. You need help. You are not, parang, you cannot move forward by yourself. Yes, you are hyper independent, but at the same time, tandaan mo na there are things na kailangan mo talaga ng tulong. Hindi pwedeng ikaw lang mag-isa. Humingi ka ng tulong kapag ikaw ay nahihirapan na kasi yun doon mo makukuha yung best parang best you will be the best person. Yun yung sinasabi ng cards. You will be at your best if you ask for help from others. Hindi naman masamang mag-ask ng help or humingi ng tulong sa ibang tao. Kagaya nga ng sinasabi ng lahat, hindi tayo pwedeng mamuhay ng tayo lang. We need to be able to ask for help from others if we need help. Kung kaya mo by yourself, then that's fine. But there are times and situations and events that you will be needing help from others at hindi masamang humingi ng tulong kapag nangangailangan ka na talaga ng tulong. Mas lalo na kung ito ay kakabuti ng iyong wellness or physical being. So this is your forecast for December, dear Capricorn. If you want to get to know all or you want to hear more about the 12 zodiac signs, just head on to our YouTube account. All of the in-depth forecast for all the 12 signs will be posted there. So see you on our next video.